Why do you think Indian men prefer a virgin wife?
Obviously they need a virgin wife, right?
Obviously.
Yeah.
क्यों? वही तो पूछ रहा हूँ क्यों?
हाँ तो नया आना चाहिए ना घर में पूरा।
नया आना चाहिए।
सेकेंड माल थोड़ी चाहिए किसी को।
वाह। Why do Indian men prefer a virgin wife?
Virgin wife, because it's a kind of stereotypical attitude of Indian men that ki my wife should be pure and I should be the one, attacking her the first or something like that.
Attacking her the first. Oh my. जानवर थोड़ा होते हैं हम, मतलब सबसे पहले मैं ही खाऊंगा.
हाँ.
लोगों को नया माल पसंद है, like we always prefer buying first hand goods and
But this is not buying.
नहीं like getting in a relationship and getting married तो हमें like we want people like our wives to be virgin.
Virgin.
But
हम खुद virgin नहीं हो तो चलता है.
Exactly.
This is the guy's hypocrisy.
This
actually.
is the like the stereotype या फिर like hypocrisy done by guys.
I think they have been raised that way.
Okay.
So that has been in their, since the
Upbringing.
childhood. Yeah, upbringing. This has been in there. Like they have seen their mother and chachis and mommies.
90% of the people think they should have a virgin girl. But
Why do you think so?
So that why do you think so?
टेंशन मत ले भाई, तू तो सोचने लगे अरे बाबू क्या हो गया ये.
It's portrayed in the movies and everything that a man wants a virgin girl.
माँ मैं अब तेरे लिए सिर्फ एक
Exactly.
साफ सुथरी बहू लाऊंगा.
Exactly.
Most of them, yes, they do prefer virgins.
Why do you think so?
Because they have a very backward mentality.
Orthodox.
Yes, they have been raised in that environment. I don't really think it's their fault because everybody in the society has been telling them a girl is supposed to be a virgin. There is no other way. And it's a guy, it's okay.
It's
He was a
okay.
guy, jawan tha, ho gayi galti.
If a girl is not a virgin, a reason is probably a guy. So why do you want a virgin wife? Like that's a one-line statement. That's a one-line statement.
So do you think girls also prefer a virgin guy like before marriage?
I don't really think that makes a difference, at least to the girls.
To you it doesn't.
No.
For you?
No.
You
Why not?
okay?
Because I get-
Premarital sex is okay.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I'll get experience. Like if I don't know about anything, that guy
Very
would-
valid point. Very valid.
That guy
if you
would
don't know
know,
something about the physical part of it, he can
Exactly.
help you out on that.
And I really like talking about all of this sex and everything. So like when we talk about it, I would want my partner to also talk with me about it freely. That is not possible in this generation now.
Do you think there are no virgins left in this world?
No, there are.
There
of
are.
course, I am.
You are, but you think guys can't be virgin?
Hey, okay, I would like to change my thing here.
Yeah.
कि है
कुछ हैं virgin.
कुछ है जो कुछ चाहते हैं, बाकी कुछ जो है वो डर से हैं.
डर से? किसके डर से?
सबके डर से, सोसाइटी के डर से. No, because yeah, even like
If he's at premarital sex, it's okay.
yeah, but I don't want him to go back to her or whatever it is. Just stay loyal in that particular period of time. That is more than enough.
Would you prefer a husband who is virgin?
Yeah, definitely.
You also definitely. Then you're thinking no different from the guys.
No, but I mean,
But if he's not virgin, you won't marry.
No, I won't.
How can you make out कि एक लड़की को देख के कि वो virgin है कि नहीं है?
They feel that she's very friendly, then everybody think that no, she has before also been friendly and she has also lost her virgin.
अच्छा, मतलब जो लड़की थोड़ी friendly ज़्यादा
हाँ,
होगी,
friend.
तो मतलब उसको virgin नहीं होगी. वो
नहीं।
जरूर sex कर लिया होगा. भाई तेरे concept बड़े बढ़िया हैं तो लड़कियों को लेके.
If she bleeds when we,
Oh my-
copulate.
I am really confused about what virginity is.
It's just the presence of your hymen, nothing
Yes.
else.
As far as I know, boys don't really have a hymen. No, so I
Yeah.
don't think
It's only restricted to girls. you think?
so I don't think so. But it's important for both.
Both. To
No,
know.
actually, no. I'm see
Oh,
exactly.
she's very confused.
I'm very confused
हाँ कि ना,
about
हाँ कि
it.
ना.
Face expression and
फेस मतलब कैसा फेस बनाएगी कि पता चल जाता है वो वर्जिन नहीं है.
actually ऐसे मालूम तो नहीं पड़ता है.
So you said ना face expressions. What kind of face expressions you're talking about? Like you can make out कि this girl is a virgin.
No, actually, if I am a boy, I will not require that a girl should be 100% virgin.
That is fine, but I'm asking if you see a girl, how can you make out if she's a virgin or not?
It's very difficult.
You said ना face expressions. तो कुछ होते हैं ऐसे face expressions?
First of all, the girl may say you from front that I am not a virgin.
अच्छा सही, मतलब सामने से खुद ही बोल देगी मैं
हाँ.
virgin हूँ.
Otherwise, you can't.
नहीं, but you said nothing about face expressions. कोई होते हैं ऐसे face expressions?
नहीं ऐसे कुछ होते तो नहीं है.
नहीं.
नहीं
आपने बोला था मुझे लगा कुछ आपको पता हो.
नहीं.
What are the other ways except physical intercourse do you think a girl can lose her virginity?
Swimming, then cycling. Yeah,
Swimming,
those are
cycling.
two main
Main things except physical
and
intercourse.
running also. It
Running
depends.
also. Any other ways you think?
Any other ways? What else?
जी क्या पता, I'm not a
I
girl.
don't want to say. Okay.
No, you can say.
That thing is also there.
Which thing?
Use of dildos or anything.
Masturbating maybe.
Yes.
Finally, she said the golden word. Thank you. Do you think girls who cycle a lot or who are into sports have a chance of losing their virginity except sex?
No.
No?
Yeah, the hymen can
देखो,
break.
हैं?
Hymen can break if
The
we
hymen can
cycle.
break. You are a science student?
Yeah, we both are science student, but
कितने नंबर आए बेटा साइंस में?
मेरे से ज़्यादा है.
फिर भी ये क्वेश्चन नहीं पता.
आजकल की लड़कियां तो they are too much into all these things. So
All these things are what?
all these things like sports.
अच्छा, sports. All these things पता नहीं.
They are more active than
They're more
today's
active.
boys and all.
Cycling, using tampons and everything.
Yeah, even using tampons. Yeah.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah,
So I
even
read about that too, yeah.
And then they can't really prove it. There's
They
no
can't.
way to prove that, okay, this is because of something else, not because of having sex.
X. Yes.
My sister had a friend and she was actually divorced the second day of her marriage
Because she was not a virgin.
She wasn't a
Wow,
virgin.
man,
Then he
wow.
took her for a test and then the doctor actually scolded the guy saying that she was always a virgin. It's just that some girls don't bleed because of their system is different.
Yeah, obviously. Everybody has different hormones.
But he still divorced her.
Men, I tell you, man. Sometimes
So I
like,
read about this case in the newspaper too. So like this was a hurt case, but it came in the newspaper that this girl from the rural area, so this guy divorced her because she was not a virgin and she didn't bleed on the first night because they put a white bed sheet. Yeah, so it was because of that I think, I don't know, I didn't read about the case further, but because I was too disgusted. Like,
Actually, there is a thing of putting bed sheets, white bed sheets especially. The mother-in-laws do that so that in the morning they actually come to know. And if they don't bleed, they ask for more dowry or maybe they send the girls back.
do you think a girl can get back her virginity once she is lost her virginity?
What is losing virginity? Do you once eat food and then say, oh, I lost it and then again you do it? No, it is as good as eating something or doing anything for once.
I am not typecasting people who are virgin. I am just saying, if a girl is not a virgin, she's had sex, she's lost her, is there a way that she can get back her virginity?
But why does she has to?
There is a surgery called hymenoplasty that's very common in the US. By that, the hymen gets sealed again.
It depends, like, you know, if you're really affected by what people say and because of that you want to alter, then maybe you would, but otherwise it doesn't matter because when you do it, I mean, it's your choice. So if it doesn't matter to you, it doesn't matter.
Once you lose your virginity, you can't get back to it. There is no surgery like this.
होती है?
नहीं हो ही नहीं सकती ऐसे कोई surgery.
भाई होती है, यूएस में होती है, गूगल करियो.
ठीक है.
मतलब लड़ मत, मैंने नहीं कराई, बट होती है. लड़का वर्जिन हो ये तो सुना है, पर अगर लड़की अपनी वर्जिनिटी खो दे वो एक गुनाह है. ये सोच है हमारे समाज. आपका इस बारे में क्या कहना है हमारी वीडियो पे नीचे कमेंट करके बताइए. इस वीडियो को लाइक करो, शेयर करो और हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करो. मैं लेता हूँ आपसे इजाज़त. आप देखते रहिए बाप आओ बकचोद.